Hi guys, Steph here. Hey. Look at this gorgeous pen. This is another pen that I found in my, if you like, my pen stock. It's from a pen haul from months ago. I can't quite remember. I just found it the other day and I thought, wow, what a gorgeous pen. This pen deserves to be used by somebody and enjoyed. So I restored the pen, and as you can see, it's now ready to go, and we'll try and find a new home for it. What a gorgeous pen. What we've got for you here is a Parker Streamline Duofold Deluxe Lady fountain pen, and as you can see from the top there, it's what we term as a ring top fountain pen, and the colour, it comes in what Parker termed as the moderne black and pearl colour. Now you can see there's a little bit of discolouring to the barrel, which is quite common for these pens. It's very unusual to find one, you know, that isn't slightly discoloured, but in my opinion it's still a lovely, handsome fountain pen. The size of the pen capped is 115 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's around about 11 millimeters in diameter. As we'll show you in a moment, you can see to the bottom there, it's got this little sort of cap, if you like. It's a button filler. If we go to the cap, you can see it's got these 3 cap bands. The trim, I believe, is gold fill trim. And let's see if we can show you the barrel imprint, if I can find it somewhere. Says he. Is that it there? Okay, so the barrel imprint actually reads, it's all on one line. It reads G.O.S. Parker, and then to the centre it has Duofold. To the right of it, it has Made in USA, and just below the Duofold, it's got the word patented. So there's no, there's no date number to the imprint there. I believe the pen is dated from around about 1929 through to 1933. Okay, as I say, I may have the model wrong, but no, I believe it to be, as I say, the Streamline Duofold Deluxe Lady fountain pen. The material that they actually used at this particular time was a permanite celluloid. I think they actually brought this out to sort of compete with the likes of the Schaefer. The Schaefer, they had a similar colouring in one of their pens. So yeah, I think they brought them out to complete. Oh, Stefan, get your teeth right. To compete with the likes of Schaefer. So, but either way, as I say, a gorgeous, handsome pen. As I said, I've actually fully restored it, disassembled it. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned internally. Inside the barrel, the ink feed, the section, nib, etc. We've put a brand new sack in the pen. As we just mentioned earlier, there you go. As I said, it's what we term as a button filler fountain pen. Screw that back on. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's give you some of the customary twirls, sort of different angles for you to see. As I say, in my opinion, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. Even with this discolouring, it's still absolutely gorgeous. So, pop the cap back down. There we go. There's the section. Slightly concaved, little ridge towards the nib, and then we've got this lovely nib, and the imprint on the nib reads Parker Duofold, and then Deluxe, and to the very bottom, made in USA. So it's the correct nib for this pen. There's a sideways view, and if I turn it over, you can see it's got the very recognizable, what we term as the Christmas tree feed underneath there. Again, the earlier type feed, correct one for this particular pen. Although it's a lady's pen, even with my large hands, it's still a comfortable pen to use, to write with. Now, as I say, I'm going to try and find a new home for this one, but yeah, you know, let's see how the pen writes. So what I'm going to do, let's unscrew the blind cap to the end, pop it down there. Okay, let's dip it in the ink. I'm looking over the camera. Okay, we can hear that lovely sort of gurgling sound. Let's get some tissue, just give it a little bit of a wipe. Pop the ink to the side so we don't spill it. And let's screw the blind cap back on. Let's get our little pad, bring it over like so, and let's see how this lovely pen writes. So what we've got is a Parker Streamline Duofold, and this one being the Deluxe Lady. And as we said, as I've just mentioned, it's got a ring top. Now, hopefully you can see there's no flex in the nib, and it's writing with a nice fine line. Okay, but as you can see, in full working order. A lovely pen. Okay, so there we have it. It's writing with a fine line, so I know there's people out there that like the pens and their nibs to write with a fine line. If that's you, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. So what we'll do, we'll empty the pen after the video. We'll flush it out with clear water. And as I say, the pen is now ready for a new home. So let's try and find a new home for this gorgeous Parker Streamline Duofold Deluxe Lady fountain pen. As I say, slight discolouring, which is quite common for these pens, but all in all, a gorgeous, handsome pen. Hey, lovely. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel as well, give the video a thumbs up if you will, please. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.